it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new release video. It's been a long time since I've filmed a video. I do have really whack nails right now. This one broke. They're kind of all like in a weird state. Some are still matte, some are glossy. This wasn't what I wanted, but we are here. These nails are here to stay for another week, and let's get into this week's new release videos. So we have a lot of kits this week, a lot of kits. Emily's like, Andrea, what's going on? And I'm like, let's do it. So actually she was more like, let's do it, and I'm like, what is going on? So let's go into the wiggle this week. I'm super excited about this week's wiggle. You guys have been loving the matte black with the foils for these solid wiggles. So this is the same format as the past couple of weeks. So you have the 15mm strip, you have the circle icons, you have the date covers, the headers, and the flags and the bows. You can get all 5 sheets for $10, or if you want to purchase any individually, they are a little bit more. This is kind of like a more premium option compared to the transparent. So this will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. They do come down before new releases. I do have some foil items this week. So these are actually some like a little bit, not older ones, but these ones are actually older. I forgot to release them, but they're still here. So these are actually available in only the 3 foils. So wasn't ordering holo with everything. Initially, whenever I started ordering holo, I wasn't going to do every single thing in holo, but then I just kind of got carried away and went holo crazy. Probably didn't help that I had like 2 months where I just pretty much used holo. But these are the corners. They used to have like this and then like another set, but I just went ahead and condensed it for like SKU space. So you can order 2 of these if you want to have matching corners, and then there are a lot of different options on the sheet. So these are the new corners, and they are in these 3 foils. Like I said, I wasn't ordering holo when I ordered those. And then I also have these, which are the flag with the bow, so you don't really need anything underneath these. And they are super cute. So just a regular solid flag with the bow, kind of see-through. And like I said, I wasn't ordering holo then, so I only have the 3 foil of those. And then last but not least, I do have some countdowns. I've been loving using these for like Disney countdowns, Hawaii countdowns, whatever. And how I like to use them, do I have an example? I probably do. Let me see. How I like to use them is putting a character sticker that kind of has something to do with the event on the side, and then putting these next to it. So super cute. So you have 1 month all the way to 1 year, and I do plan on doing like a countdown from 1 month down in the future. That's coming pretty soon, so really excited about these. And that is all of the foil for this week. Like I said, the wig will be coming out on Wednesday and the other items come out on Friday. I do have 1 monthly kit this week. So with monthlies, I have kind of been just doing non-exclusive art, just because there's sometimes I see art that comes out and I don't have a ton of space in production, but I do want to use it for something, and a monthly is pretty easy to whip up. So this is called, I believe, no, I don't remember. Should put the name of it on here. Moon spells moon something. It's on Instagram. So you do have the same format as always. You have deco on the bottom, the 2 header parts on top. You have your kind of labels, sampler page, and then you have your boxes that form a line, and then your different full boxes here, little strip of washi, and then some more like quarter type boxes there. So that is our 3-page monthly kit. This is a kind of like Halloween theme. I think this is going to be super cute in September if you want to use something a little bit more classically Halloween for Halloween. But like I said, as art comes out, I'm just going to pop a monthly in if I feel like I really want it to be a monthly. So or if you guys have like something that you see that is exclusive art to us and you guys want it to be a monthly, let me know like in the comments. So then there's also an option if you want to add on the sidebar. So I really love the candy, so I thought like layering the candy, like it looks like a pile of candy in your sidebar would be really cute. And then also you have the functional if you want to add that on. So those are the monthly options for this week. Then we have all the kits. So I'm going to go over the magical wizardy ones first. So these are based on all 4 of the houses. So let's go through Ambitious first because it's Slytherin, and that's me. So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like, and they all pretty much look the same. They're just a little different in colors and some different kind of charms and things like that. So this one is called Ambitious, so kind of like Slytherin-y green. All of them have like the gold faux glitter accents throughout, which, you know, traditionally I think silver when I think of Slytherin, and I think of like maybe rose gold for Ravenclaw, and then gold for the other two. But I really love the way the gold looks in this, and I'm kind of hyped about it, and I do have a plan for how I want to use this. I'm normally not a mini kit user. These are a mini kit exclusive, so I'm not going to be bringing them as an ultimate. But I think what I'm going to do is use the loyal with the ambitious. So because Jessica is a Hufflepuff and then I'm a Slytherin, and then all of them have the same bottom washi, so they're all kind of like usable together almost, which I like. So there's the 15mm add-on if you want to add that on. You also have the glitter header page if you want to add this on, and I did kind of put like gold speckles of glitter throughout it, just to kind of like incorporate the gold more. And then you also have the label sampler if you want to add that on as well. So I think it'd be really cool. Like if you're a mini kit user, these are perfect obviously, but if you're an ultimate kit user, I would definitely consider maybe getting well, you could totally get like a couple extra add-ons, or like if one of your friends is like your best friends in a different house, do like a mashup spread, which I think is what I'm gonna do sometime in probably March. Actually, me and Jessica were like, yes, we're gonna do that. So I'll go ahead and show you guys Loyal next. So I think these would be super cute, kind of like mix and match, and make like a spread, because obviously I'll have some leftovers, but that's what I did clutter piles for. So let's go ahead and go through the Loyal one, but I think that's what I'm gonna do with these, just because I think it'd be so cute to have a little like mixed spread for me and Jessica. So cute. So you have your little freebie, you have the full boxes page, the mini kit exclusive page, the functional page, the deco page, and then the bottom washi page there. Super, super cute. I'm gonna go through all of these just because they don't have an ultimate, so we're gonna just go through them. So there's that. And then to kind of keep them cohesive, so you could like kind of use them all together if you wanted to, or mix and match. These colors are the same throughout, so you can kind of like use them with both, and I think it really works. So you have some add-on options for Loyal, and again, you still have that like, hope you can see it, the gold that kind of goes through it, which I think is really cool. I've done that with a couple of Christmas kits that I've done so far. I think right now in production we have like 8 custom Christmas kits, and then I have 2 more that are still coming. So I think we're looking at like 8 or 10 custom Christmas kits. So like I'm set, guys. I'm set. Then this one is Brave, so Gryffindor-y. I thought I was a Gryffindor for a really long time, but then I was like, you know what? Truth is, I'm a Slytherin, and that's okay. It's okay. So there is that one, which is a mini kit as well. And then you do have those add-on options if you want to add these on. I do really love the colors of Gryffindor though. So pretty. And then you also have Ravenclaw, which person is Ravenclaw? It's so cute. So, or you could just do all of them together and then maybe save your leftovers and do a spread next year, kind of similar, and then it kind of like how your planning style has changed and you use the extras. So that is Wisdom, super cute. I love this one. Kind of pick the hair color. I was like, oh, Kirsten will really like that if she decides to use this kit, the brown hair, super cute. So that is Wisdom, and then again you do have the options. This one's a really pretty one too, with the blue with the gold. Love that, and that's gonna look so pretty with the glitter headers on top. So that is all of the magical kits for this week. Those are all, like I said, mini kit exclusive, so you won't see them in Ultimate in our shop. Then we'll go into Stars Align, and this is a really pretty kit. It does come in a mini kit if you want to pick that up. So let's go ahead and go through this. This is such a pretty kit, and I think it's gonna look so pretty with rose gold, but you could totally do regular gold or silver. If you wanna go hollow, feel free. So super cute, really dark kit, which I like. So here is the little kit freebie. You have your full box, which are super cute. I love this sparkler. It's so pretty, and all of the like starry night kind of vibes. And then the color of the faux glitter throughout is kind of like a rose goldy kind of copper color, which is really pretty. Don't do that very often in kits. I feel like I normally, if I do like a faux glitter accent, it's usually silver or gold. Tons and tons of mini deco. I really don't even know what I was thinking, but it's gonna look really cute. I especially love this artist does bugs really cool. And then you have the bottom washi, which is really dark and pretty. Then there is also the 15 millimeter add-on if you want to add this on. You also have the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. There's also an option if you want to add on the label sampler. And last but not least, there's also an option if you want to add on some more fashion girls, which are super, super cute. So again, this is Stars Align, and will be available in a mini and an ultimate. We have been doing unlimited stock for the first 24 hours. With it being the holiday time, that's kind of the most we could do right now, just so we don't get behind in production while still getting your items out as quickly as possible. So that is Stars Align. Last but not least, we do have another exclusive art. And actually, this is the only exclusive art this week. So weird. The past 2 weeks have been packed with exclusive art, and this season will be very, very full of exclusive art. That's what I'm really, really excited about. And I kind of wish I had a reason to use it. I remember whenever I got the art and I texted Kirsten and I was like, I wish I had a purpose. And she's like, Andrea, stop being so dramatic. And I was like, no, I mean to use this kit. So this is called Victoria. And I named this Victoria because we already had like a BTS and I wasn't really sure like what else. I'm sure you guys could have thought something like A+ or something. I don't know. But Victoria, because Jessica's sister is a teacher and I just really love using names for kits sometimes because we have so many kits in the shop and like we could only name so many kits back to school. So this is a kind of like teacher inspired back to school, which I love. Like I said, I wish I had a purpose to use this. Maybe I can save this and just kind of use it like when Bennett goes to school, because I don't think you necessarily have to be a teacher. It could kind of just be school vibes. So you do have your little freebie here. This does come in a mini and an ultimate. I'll go ahead and put the ultimate aside, but I am obsessed with this kit. So you do have kind of like two kind of teacher figures here, and then you have like the classroom. I love the flowers. I love the push pens. I love the test. I love the chai or iced coffee, however you want to put it. You have your ombre heart checklist page, functional page. I love these colors. They remind me of something, but I can't really put my finger on it, but inspired, you know what I mean? Inspired. And you have your half boxes, you have your extra full box here, and your icons. Wait till you all see the bottom washi though. It's peeking, but wait till you see it. Wait till you see it. Deco, of course. And then look at that bottom washi. It's like a chalkboard and it says SPC in a little heart and I just love it. It's so cute. I am just so hyped for this. It's so pretty. And then this is the 15 millimeter strip if you want to add it on. I love this pink. It's so pretty. You have the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. You have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. And then you also have some different fashion girl options here. So kind of different options, and that is Victoria, which like I said will be available in a mini kit and an ultimate kit. Is that everything? Is that everything? I think so. I did post on Instagram that these journaling cards were going to be in last week's order. I do believe we will have some through this week's wiggle, at least, if not possibly through this week's releases. So super pumped about these. They match the Haunted Magic kit that we came out with. But that's everything for this week. Again, we have Victoria, which is exclusive art. You won't find that art anywhere else. We do have Stars Align, which is a really pretty kind of like starry night, but I love the purples in it. So cute. And then we do have the 4 mini kits of the Harry Potter inspired magical houses. Super cute. Can't wait to use that in March. We do have one monthly. Like I said, monthlies will be coming more soon once more art comes from more artists. And then we do have the 3 foil releases. We have the coroners, we have the flags, and we have the countdowns. And last but not least, we do have the wiggle for this week, which is the black matte with the gold. And this will actually look really pretty with all of the magical kits, just saying. So that's everything for this week. I hope that you guys like it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.